This is the ShelfPins Jig 1x6 edition, precision designed to work with real dimensional lumber, 3/4 inch thick and 5.5 inches wide, or 19 by 140 millimeters. Whether you're building kitchen cabinets, wide bookshelves, or organizing systems, the ShelfPins Jig helps you create clean, evenly spaced shelf positions with professional accuracy. No measuring, no guesswork, just clamp the jig and route. And the best part? ShelfPins integrates perfectly with the rest of the system, like BoxMate and TailMate 2.0. That means you can build drawer boxes or frames, then add internal shelves using the same setup, the same board sizes, and the same router configuration. Start by cutting the shelf pins, secure the jig to your board, and follow the profile using a 3/8 inch spiral upcut bit and a 1/2 inch guide bushing, just like with BoxMate and TailMate. The jig handles alignment and spacing automatically. Next, switch to the included drilling plate to cut shelf holes into the cabinet side or wall. This plate has the exact same hole pattern and is precision fitted to 1x6 boards. That's 3/4 by 5.5 inches. Attach it with double-sided tape. That's all you need. The weight of the router keeps it stable, and the tape prevents any side-to-side movement while you cut. Assembly is fast and precise. The pins you routed earlier will fit tightly into the routed holes, creating solid shelf support with no need for metal brackets or extra hardware. Because you've used the same bit and guide bushing throughout, a 3/8" spiral upcut bit and a 1/2" guide bushing, everything lines up perfectly. Shelf pins for 1x6 boards are made for real nominal lumber. That's 3/4 inches thick and 5.5 inches wide, or 19 by 140 millimeters. Everything is designed to work together, giving you repeatable, accurate joinery using just a router. No CNCs, just clean, professional shelves made simple.